Hello, it's Miss Beatty here, and I am going to show you how to find fractions of an amount and fractions of numbers. It is a follow-on from yesterday's lesson, so I hope this helps. It will certainly help with your activity sheets that you choose to complete at the end, okay? So follow this video step by step and you will get the hang of it in no time, okay? So let's dive straight in. Here we have 12 cupcakes in total, and they've got lovely pink buttercream icing on them. 12 in total, and we are asked to find a half of 12, okay? A half of 12 cupcakes is asking you 12 divided by 2. How many 2's go into 12? So if we do a 2 times table to 12, we'll get our answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the answer is 6. So a half of 12 is 6. Here is asking us a quarter of 12, which is the same as asking us 12 divided by 4. How many 4's go into 12? Well, if we do our 4 times table, that will give us our answer. 4, 8, 12. So a quarter of 12, the answer is 3. So if you're finding a half of something, you're dividing by 2, and if you're finding a quarter, you're dividing by 4. If you are asked to find a fifth of something, you're dividing by 5. So in total here, we have 15 lovely cupcakes with a cherry on top. Okay, a fifth of 15 is asking you 15 divided by 5. So how many 5's go into 15? Well, again, if we do our 5 times table to 15, we will get our answer. 5, 10, 15. So the answer is 3. So a fifth of 15 is 3. If we're finding a third of something, we are dividing by 3. So we're using our 3 times table. So 3 to get to 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so a third of 15 is 5 because 3 times 5 is 15. So finding a fifth, you're dividing by 5. Finding a third, you're dividing by 3. Okay, same here. If we're finding a fifth, divide by 5. 20 divided by 5 because there's 20 cupcakes in total, and that will get you your answer. A quarter of 20. How many 4's go into 20? You're dividing by 4, and that will get you your answer. Okay. If you see fractions like this, now you'll see this on your activity sheets at the end. 1/9 is the same as a ninth. Okay. Same as a ninth. 1/6 is the same as a sixth. 1/8 is the same as an eighth. 1/7 kind of sounds like I'm repeating myself, but it is a seventh. 1/5 we know is just a fifth of something, and 1/10 is a tenth. Okay, so this is asking us a ninth of 90. Okay, so you are dividing by 9. Okay. If you're asked to find a sixth of something, you're dividing by 6. So you're using your 6 times table. If you're asked to find an eighth, you're dividing by 8. If you're asked to find a seventh, we know that we're dividing by 7. Asked to find a fifth, we've looked at examples already, but we are dividing by 5. And if we're asked to find a tenth, we're dividing by 10. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Okay, and you just need to ask yourself, how many 9's go into 90? What is a ninth of 90? How many 6's go into 12? What's 12 divided by 6? How many 8's? An eighth goes into 24. Okay, 24 divided by 8, and so on. Okay, so if you ask yourself that type of question, you will find it a lot easier. Okay, for this question here, this type of, if this came up in an activity sheet, this is just asking you to write the shape as a fraction. To find the denominator, which is the bottom number, you just need to calculate the total number of pieces there are, or parts there are, and we know there's 2 in this shape, and only 1 is shaded in. So if you're asked to find the fraction of the shape that's shaded in, this one would be a half, and we know it's definitely a half because it's split down the middle. Here, the fraction of this shape, okay, we need to find our denominator, so count the total number of parts. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 5 parts all together, and one part of the shape is shaded in, so it's a fifth. This shape is equivalent to a fifth. Okay, I want you to have a little go at the other ones. Okay, this one's very similar to this one. Again, this type of shape, okay, is split into 4 equal parts, and 3 pieces are shaded in. So 3/4 of the shape are shaded in. So I want you to have a go. Okay, you can pause the video, have a go at calculating what part of the shape is shaded in, what fraction of the shape is shaded in. Okay, so you can have a go at these as a little warm-up task. I hope this video helps. It will certainly help with the activity sheet because it is very similar. Okay, have a go and try on your own as best you can. But if you are struggling, send me an email or ask me a question on Teams. Okay, I hope you have a lovely day and I will see you soon.